Alright guys, so let's go through and solve some of these problems. So problem number 1 here, what is the volume of the 175 gram sample of mercury given the density is 13.6 grams per milliliter? Well, our beginning information is that we have 175 grams. We want to know what the volume is, which is related to milliliters. So we can use the density as a conversion factor. 1 milliliter is 13.6 grams. We can now get our trusty calculator and solve this. Okay, oops. So the answer comes out to be 12.9 milliliters. That is the volume of mercury. Okay, let's go on to part 2. What is the mass of 1 gallon of mercury? Well, first we're given some conversion factors here. We can go from 1 cup to milliliters, and then we can use the density to go from milliliters to grams. The question now is how many cups are in 1 gallon? That's just a piece of information you'd have to either know or look up. Okay, and Google just told me there are 16 cups in 1 gallon. So we can convert, let's see, 1 gallon equals 16 cups. And now we can just use the conversion between cups and milliliters to find out how many milliliters we have. 1 cup is 236.588 milliliters. Our cups will cancel, and we can do this math and solve the problem. All right, so according to my calculations, we have 3785 milliliters, and now we can use the density. 1 milliliter of mercury weighs 13.6 grams to come up with our grams. Okay, and we get 51,481 grams. Too many sig figs. That would be about 51,500 grams is the mass of a gallon of mercury.